Hello, my virtual friends. Welcome back. Today is September 16th, and today we are going to, we are going to kind of go over a little bit of what we learned on the French and Indian War on Monday, and then we are going to do a cause and effect assignment, and I'm going to kind of show you how to do it. Because it's different. It's not a forms assignment. It is a Word document. You guys are going to be getting some more different assignments now that we are doing our intervention days. Because on Wednesdays, we focus more on reading, and even though we can tie in our social studies on it and we can learn more about our social studies, we're still tying in a reading aspect on it. So for instance, we're doing cause and effect today, and you guys had already learned about cause and effect with Miss Miller in the previous week. So we're going to go over it again and make sure that everyone's got a clear understanding, but we're going to plug it into social studies. So I am going to show you my screen. Because I know a lot of my friends are not able to get the social studies weekly on their computer, and that is perfectly fine. I'm going to just kind of give you the screen of the screen of the Social Studies Weekly. What I suggest is, since I'm going to be sharing the screen of the Social Studies Weekly, is that you open up your YouTube on a different window, and then you open up your Word document assignment, and that way, and like keep them on two of the pages. I know that's going to be hard. I will show you what I am talking about. Don't worry, I'm showing you everything. So that's why it's really important that you guys watch this video. You're going to have like no clue what I'm talking about. And it shows in your assignments if you didn't watch my video. I'm just saying. But I'm going to just go ahead and get right in. I hope I'm not confusing you guys too much. But here we go. All right. All right, my friends. So just kind of ignore this. We're going to start here on our Social Studies Weekly. So what I want you to do is I want you to either pause your video and look at this and take some of your notes. You can put them in your social studies, well, not your social studies notebook, but your Miss Gonzalez class notebook. You can put it in there. You can also just pause the video and keep a separate window for your YouTube. So like this will be up in your YouTube. So you can keep your YouTube channel on a separate page and then your Word document on another page. I will show you what I am talking about in just a moment, so do not get scared. But at this point in the video, this is where you will pause it so that you can refer back to the Social Studies Weekly as you are doing the assignment, because I really want you guys to have just as much as the same resources as your friends who are face-to-face. So let me just clarify again. In the video, this is where you would pause it or come back to it and pause it to be able to do the assignment. However, you should really keep watching the video and then just go back to this point and pause here, because I really want you guys to see what I am about to show you with the Word document so that you guys understand how to get it off of Teams and to get it back onto Teams, okay? So, all right, so here's your page. All right, so let me go back to Teams. All right, so you guys are going to get this as an assignment. No, it's not going to say sample. It's not going to be this blank, but this will be the assignment that I have for you. So all you need to do is just click it. It's going to open as a Word document. Now you will see on the right side some different options. What I want you to do is I want you to go to Edit Document. And under Edit Document, you can edit it, which is what I want you to do. I want you to edit it because this will be your assignment. I want you to just click the Edit button. It will allow you to edit right here in Teams. That way you don't have to go anywhere. Just give it a second, it'll load. Okay, so do not freak out if it doesn't load. It will load. I want to show you just all that you need to do this, okay? So what you need to do is on the left side where it says Insert, just press that. And it doesn't have it right here. Why is that? Give me just a second. It was here just a moment ago. Oh, goodness gracious. This is exactly what I'm talking about, my friends. Just things that were there and then now they're not there. And I'm in the middle of a video trying to show you guys, and now it's going to be confusing. Okay. Okay, so let's just scratch what I just said. So what you are going to need to do, my friend, is here. It'll open here. Oh my gosh, my guys, I am so sorry. It was just here, and now I can't find it. That's life for you, though, my friends. Okay. Take a deep breath. All right, here we go. Okay, so when you press the editing button to get here, what I need you to do is I need you to go to File. It's on the left side over here on the toolbar, File. Click that. What I want you to do is I want you to go to Save As. And when you do Save As, it will give you these different options. The option that I want for you is download a copy. And then continue to say download a copy. And what it'll do is it should bring up, I'm not sure where it might go, but if you're using Google Chrome or the app, on Google Chrome, it'll more than likely come over here. Sometimes on the app, it goes over on the right side, but it will pop up an option for you to download it. So just go ahead and click on it, and it will open it up for you. If this yellow bar comes up where it says enable editing, just press enable editing so that you can edit on it. So what I need you to do first is obviously double click up here and type in your name. The date section is going to move with you, so you can just scooch it over and then add your date if able. And then off to the side, just double click again and it will come off of here. And then what you need to do down here for your assignment, there's no text box down here. This is a screenshot. So what I need you to do is go to Insert. And then on your very obnoxious looking toolbar, you will find something right about here that says text box. Now it might be smaller on some of your computers. Some of it might be exactly like this, but there will be an option that says text box as long as you open it into your own file on your own computer. Now, if you keep it within Microsoft Teams, it doesn't quite give you the text box option. That's what I was looking for. So what you need to do is click text box. If it gives you an option for the text box, just press a simple text box and a text box will appear. All you need to do is just move it right where you need it and kind of just adjust it to how you need it. Boop. And then just kind of, I would highlight, backspace, and then just start typing your answer. Okay, and then when you click off of it, it will stay right there for you, and you can always go back and click on it. But that is how you guys will do this assignment for me. Okay, let me think. So just do your absolute best. This is where I would really love for you guys to have both the social studies weekly up with this. So what I'm going to show you is if you go up to the top right, you want to see the two little squares. Just press that little minimized button. Just kind of scoot them over to the side. And wherever you had your social studies weekly, so for you guys, it'll be in YouTube. But for right now, let's just kind of make our little window smaller. And then what I'm going to do, I have multiple tabs. I don't know if you guys are going to have multiple tabs, but if you have multiple tabs and you're on Google Chrome, you can just pull the tab and it will appear just as one. Oops, as one. And then we're going to do the same thing that we done in the Word document up onto the right side. We are going to minimize it. Minimize that. And then this way you guys will have both of them. So yours will be on YouTube. Mine is on a separate tab in my other one, but in your video section, you should have the video right up here playing, and you'll pause it. And oh, here, let me just kind of show you. Oops, hello, Miss Gonzalez, not where we need to go. Okay, I don't want to confuse you guys, but you can have one tab open here, and it can be paused on the Social Studies Weekly. So actually, let me do that so you can get. Ooh, I don't want that one up right like that. Okay, sorry. So this one will drag down, minimize it. Woohoo! Don't know how I did that. Oh no, it closed it, darn it. Okay, well, this is what it'll look like, you guys. You'll have this opened up right here. Oh, there it is. And then just this one over here. That way you guys can look at both of them and refer back to both of them the best way that you can. This is what the kiddos in face-to-face are doing. So I want you guys to be able to do it as well. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or any troubles, obviously email me. I hope this video was somewhat helpful. I know that it can be a little bit frustrating, but just bear with me, you guys. We'll get there. Obviously, when you guys save the Word document, you need to make sure that you save it and save it somewhere that you will remember it. Save it as a name that you will remember, and then you will upload it through Teams. Through that assignment, it'll give you the turn-in option, and it'll give you an option to attach something. I don't have the option to view that part of it, unfortunately, or else I would show you how to do that as well. But many of you know how to press the turn-in button, so wink, wink. I'm still on to my friends who are just turning in things and not doing their actual assignments. But yeah, you guys, there is an option to attach a file to it. You can attach a Word document. Just make sure, you guys, I cannot emphasize this enough, make sure that you save it to a place you will remember, okay? Make sure you save it to a place that you will remember. Make sure that the name of it is something you will remember. That way, in case you forget where you put it, you can type it in the search bar. Just make sure, my friends, that you do not lose it, okay? Because that will be a catastrophe if I'm trying to get a bunch of emails because nobody knows where it goes. I'll go ahead and show you how to save it somewhere that you know. So let me open my screen back up again. Okay, so I'm going to maximize this again. So I just want to clarify because I'm really scared that some of my friends are going to lose their thing and I don't want that. So on the left side on File, you will see Save As again. So I want you to Save As, and it will give you different options. These are my options. Okay, I always save it to my OneDrive. If you have that option, totally do it. If you need to just put it on your PC or on your computer, that's just what that means. But you can save it to your computer. So this PC, OneDrive, either one is fine. I will do the PC for now. And then this is what I really want you to emphasize is to make sure you remember where you're putting it. So it's under the PC and then it's under Documents, okay? And then I remember what the name is, okay? And then we just save it. And then that's where it goes. And so then when I go to my file, I will go to this PC. I will go to Documents. And there it is. It's right here. Okay, so it's right there, ready to go. You just click on it and upload it. All right. Sorry, you guys, that kind of backtracked out a little bit, but I just wanted to make sure that you knew how to save it, know where to put it, all that good stuff. I really would hate for you guys to be like everywhere and not know what in the world we're doing. I hope these videos helped. Again, if you have any questions, just go ahead and email me. If I need to make another video, I will. Just do your best, you guys. I know you guys are awesome. You will do amazing. Just try your best. Remember, you are in school. Just because you are virtual does not mean you are in school. You need to make sure that you are doing the assignments, okay? You earn the grade that you work for. All right, you earn the grade you work for. Just remember that, you guys, and I hope you have a fabulous Wednesday, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.